Salutations, weary travelers. I'm John G, and we're here today to talk to you about Giants. 4 Giants to be exact. Noble protectors of the 4 key ingredients of beer: malt, hops, water, and yeast, and champions of giant-sized, in-your-face, boldly flavored beer. 4 Giants Imperial IPA is a hugely flavorful IPA at 9.2% alcohol. The deafening crack of the enormous can summons forth the intense tropical aromas of pineapple and peach, courtesy of Simcoe and Amarillo hops. The assertive bitterness of this massive, crystal-clear Imperial IPA is balanced out by a slightly malty sweetness and bursts of tropical citrus flavors like orange and passion fruit, with a slight honey and pine notes on the back end. Hold on tight, this high ABV titan of a beer is about to take you on the sensory adventure of a lifetime. To start, why not try something smoky and sweet? These flavors complement the hoppy bitterness of 4 Giants and are a great way to kick off any meal. This IPA's pineapple and passion fruit notes cut through savory flavors with ease. Try something rich and salty for your main course. Who says beer doesn't go well with dessert? All manner of sweet and crumbly treats pair perfectly with 4 Giants to finish up your feast. Every can of this massive Imperial IPA possesses the power to unleash the gargantuan flavor and aggressive high ABV of the 4 Giants. Summon the Giants and fulfill your destiny.